On February 23, 2026, a massive blizzard slammed the Northeast, burying parts of New York City under nearly 20 inches of snow. This significant winter storm brought blizzard conditions to many areas, leading to widespread but temporary disruptions across the Northeast. Central Park officially recorded 19.7 inches, ranking the snowstorm among the top 10 biggest in the city's history. Some outer borough neighborhoods, like Staten Island and Brooklyn, received up to 24 inches. Travel came to a halt, with thousands of flights canceled at JFK and LaGuardia. Widespread power outages affected thousands of people, and officials urged residents to stay home amid blizzard conditions with wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour.